The young ones are the future of the country. ECD, it is the foundation of a human being.
We can't tackle everything, and you can't tackle it all at once. What is most powerful is to choose one avenue and really do it well.
I went to OT and I've studied further about ECD, and now I've got an understanding what to do and when and how. The young ones are the future of the country. ECD is the foundation of a human being.